AI is no longer something that belongs in the future. It's already here. It's in your inbox, your calendar, your analytics dashboard, your creative tools. Welcome back to Mindset Shift. Today, we're exploring a topic that's transforming the way we work, think, and create. How to collaborate with AI for greater efficiency. This isn't about robots replacing humans. It's about humans learning to work smarter, using technology as a partner, not a threat. Because the future of work isn't human versus AI, it's human with AI. And the professionals who learn how to collaborate with it, not compete with it, will lead the next era of productivity and creativity. First, let's understand the shift. AI is no longer something that belongs in the future. It's already here. It's in your inbox, your calendar, your analytics dashboard, your creative tools. But here's the key difference. AI doesn't replace your thinking. It enhances it. It helps you work faster. But the direction, the context, and the meaning still come from you. The professionals thriving in this new world aren't the ones who fear AI. They're the ones who ask, how can I use this to amplify what I do best? Because that's the essence of true innovation, combining human creativity with machine precision. 2. The human advantage. Let's get one thing clear. AI is powerful, but it's not human. It doesn't have empathy. It doesn't understand nuance, emotion, or moral judgment. It doesn't know how to build trust or inspire. That's your domain. And that's why the most valuable professionals of this generation will be those who blend emotional intelligence with technological intelligence. Because efficiency without empathy is just automation. But efficiency with empathy, that's transformation. So don't ask, what can AI do for me? Ask, what can AI free me from so I can focus more on what truly matters? That's where collaboration begins. 3. The mindset shift from fear to partnership. A lot of professionals are quietly afraid of AI, afraid it'll make their skills obsolete. But here's the truth. AI won't replace you. It'll replace the version of you that refuses to evolve. When you treat AI as a tool, as a teammate, it becomes your force multiplier. It takes care of the repetitive, data-heavy, time-consuming parts of your work so that you can focus on strategy, creativity, and human connection. The real question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, am I learning how to use AI to elevate my job? That's the mindset difference between resistance and reinvention. 4. Practical ways to collaborate with AI. Let's get tangible. How can you start working with AI in your daily routine, no matter your field? Step 1. Automate the repetitive. Identify the tasks that drain your time but don't require deep human judgment. Scheduling, summarizing notes, drafting outlines, managing emails. Use AI to handle them. Free your mental bandwidth for higher value work. Thinking, leading, deciding. Step 2. Co-create with AI. Use AI for ideation, not substitution. Ask it to brainstorm concepts, draft initial versions, or generate structure. Then you bring the human touch, refine, personalize, and align it with purpose. Think of AI as a collaborator that brings speed while you bring soul. Step 3. Use AI as your learning assistant. The fastest learners will lead the future. Use AI to summarize books, generate insights, test ideas, or simulate conversations. Turn it into your personal coach, your creative mirror, your brainstorming partner. Step 4. Build emotional intelligence in parallel. The more we automate tasks, the more human skills rise in value. Empathy, communication, leadership, and creativity. Balance your digital fluency with human mastery. That's the new definition of being well-rounded. 5. The emotional resistance to AI. Let's pause here, because efficiency isn't just about tools, it's about trusting them. For many professionals, the fear of using AI isn't technical, it's emotional. What if it makes mistakes? What if it replaces me? What if I don't understand it well enough? But here's the truth. Every major shift in history, from electricity to the internet, came with uncertainty. We grow not by avoiding change, but by learning how to lead through it. You don't need to master AI overnight. You just need to stay curious, because curiosity, not perfection, is the new job security. 6. Human plus AI equals exponential potential. When humans and AI collaborate, something powerful happens. Work becomes more strategic. Creativity becomes more expansive. Decisions become more data-informed. AI can process information faster than you ever could, but it's your judgment that gives that information meaning. So use AI to see wider, but let your humanity help you see deeper. That's how you stay irreplaceable. The future belongs to professionals who can say, I don't fear technology, I partner with it. 7. The 3 E's of human-AI collaboration. If you want a simple framework to start building this collaboration mindset, remember the 3 E's. 1. Explore, experiment with tools that fit your work. Don't wait for permission. Explore proactively. Try using AI to analyze data, summarize research, or draft presentations. Exploration builds awareness. Awareness builds confidence. 2. Enhance, use AI to make your processes smarter and faster. Let it handle the structure. You focus on the story. Let it crunch the numbers. You interpret the insight. Enhancement isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. 3. Empathize. As AI takes over the transactional side of work, double down on the emotional. Understand people better. Lead with empathy. Communicate with authenticity. That's how you build trust in a tech-driven world. 8. Reimagining productivity. Efficiency used to mean doing more in less time. Now it means doing better in less time. With AI, you can automate 40% of your workload, but that doesn't mean filling the extra hours with more work. It means filling them with deeper thinking, reflection, and human value creation. Imagine this: if AI handles the noise, you get to focus on the music. And that's what true productivity is about: creating meaning, not just output. 9. The future of collaboration. The future workplace isn't a competition between humans and machines. It's a collaboration between logic and empathy, speed and insight, intelligence and wisdom. AI will handle the tasks. You will handle the trust. AI will make things faster. You will make things matter. That's the future of work. Not replacement, but reinforcement. So instead of asking what's next for AI, ask what's next for me with AI. Because this new era belongs to those who evolve with technology, not behind it. The professionals who thrive in the years ahead will be those who embrace this partnership, who see AI not as a competitor, but as a collaborator. AI will make you faster, but your humanity will make you unforgettable. AI can optimize your output, but only you can give it purpose. So, learn the tools, experiment, adapt, but never forget what makes you human. Empathy, creativity, courage, and connection. Because in a world driven by algorithms, being human is the ultimate advantage. If this episode inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to lead, not just in their work, but in the future of work. And remember, the most successful professionals don't fight the future, they collaborate with it.